What we're going to do is I'm going to make a rattlesnake out of a horseshoe file, and on the very first heat, what I'm going to do, I'll be bringing it out and I'll start shaping the body of the snake. You'll see that I have to take a lot of heats, probably 6 or 7 heats in order to get this done. And I'll start with the tail to form the tail, and then I'll progress on up to the head. You'll see that I'm using a wooden mallet, and the reason I'm using the wooden mallet in this particular area is because I didn't want any more hammer marks in that area, so I had to grab my mallet. Just to let you know, the reason for different heats is, like when I first put it in the forge, what I wanted to do is concentrate on the beginning of forming the body. So I wanted a full heat, the full length of the rasps. On my next heat, I wanted to concentrate on just the tail. So I would put the tail under one particular burner, so the heat would be concentrated on the tail. So then on my next heat, I wanted to start closing up the body. So I would concentrate on the end of the tail toward the middle part of the body. Then on my following heat, then I would work my way on up to the head, and then we would work for the tongue. And each time this would take a different heat. Sometimes it might take 6 heats, sometimes it might take 7 heats. But then also, after you finish making the snake, then you've got to take another heat in order to straighten and untwist the snake, and then one more heat to put the final wiggle in the snake. This forward. There'll be another blind snake. I forgot to put the eyes in. I gotta hit it one more time and twist it. Okay. Tighten it a bit more. I can't stand a snake, it won't stand still. You know what I mean? There it is. All the difference between this snake and the one that we sold is this one's blind because I forgot to put the eyes on it.